Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu greetings. AliShanMao here. Arish Ali sitting here, and Abdul Hadi is here. Say hi.
Hi.
This is a virtual reality video, and welcome to it, and welcome to our majlis. This means you can move your phone around and literally look in every direction of our messy majlis. Give it a try. There's a TV, there are some helicopters, and the big majlis there. Now move your phone back and focus us. We do not celebrate Halloween, do we? No, we do not celebrate Halloween, but we do support people who celebrate Halloween. And one of my fans on YouTube have sent me this video. Now, you want to move your phone around, look at the TV, and watch the video together. And if you want to look at our expressions, why you two look so sad and boring? You can move your view towards us, all right? So, check out on the TV. Here we go.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
To AliShanMao!
To AliShanMao!
Wishing you
A
a night full of price and delights.
night full of life and delight.
If you are interested
If you are interested
in drawings,
please
click to subscribe now.
click to subscribe now! Wow!
They are very, very excited people, right?
Yeah.
And those guys are not wearing shirts. That guy is holding love for me. That guy is holding Halloween. And this guy is bringing my YouTube channel banner, right? Lots of kisses. They're gonna dance. They're gonna dance. Look at his eyes. That was very, very short. That was very, very short. Yeah, you can move your phone around and look at us. That was very short. I wish it was a bit more of dancing. But hey, this is, I believe, a very unique way to tell someone that they love and care about us and they remember us and they send us a customized greeting. And not just that, it makes us happy, right? It was very, very funny. So guys, check out the link in the video description if you want to send these kind of customized greetings to anyone you love and show you care and love. You can do that too. There's a link in video description. You can follow. They're not just these handsome guys, but they're pretty girls as well. So we'll show you a video of customized greeting, more of the customized greetings later. For now, thank you very much for watching this video, and happy Halloween to everyone. Happy late Halloween to everybody. We are outing.